Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase standard pack with gems in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for beginner or for new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping the store. And as you can see, there are some options here. 1, 2, FC Point and Gems, Division Rivals, Live Events, Welcome to FC Mobile, and Recommended. So in Welcome to FC Mobile you can get free pack here, but I want to show you this one, Recommended, like this. Feature. This one, standard pack 15% off, daily limit 5. So in these packs contain guaranteed a 82 over player in every 10 purchases, like this, and coin 10,000 and best player, and you can do it using this gem 1250. Let's give it a try. Tap to open and reveal all. I got Fun Gingle. Let's try one more time. So this, you have 5 times daily limit, and let's take one more time. Okay, you can give it a try, maybe you're lucky than me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks below. Enjoy the game.